DJI Neo, soaring high above the competition. DJI, the drone dynasty. DJI, a Chinese tech titan, has ruled the drone roost for years. Their innovative designs and reliable performance have made them a household name among hobbyists and professionals alike. One of their latest masterpieces, the DJI Neo, is a testament to their continued dominance. Vinny's drone disaster. Imagine Vinny, a small business owner, trying to impress a potential client with a drone-captured aerial view of his property. He'd practiced for hours, confident in his piloting skills. But as he ascended, a sudden gust of wind caught the drone, sending it spiraling towards a nearby tree. The client burst into laughter, and Vinny sheepishly explained his unexpected aerial maneuver. Luckily, the drone survived, and Vinny managed to salvage the meeting with a bit of humor. The DJI Neo, a versatile tool. Despite Vinny's mishap, the DJI Neo remains a versatile tool with countless applications. From real estate photography and videography to agriculture and search and rescue, its capabilities are endless. Its high-resolution camera, intelligent flight modes, and advanced features make it a top choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Making money with the DJI Neo. The DJI Neo can be a lucrative investment. You can offer aerial photography and videography services to businesses, individuals, and organizations. For those with a passion for teaching, drone training and education can be a rewarding career path. And for the adventurous, drone rentals and tours can provide a unique experience for customers. Regulations and licensing. Before taking to the skies, it's essential to familiarize yourself with local regulations and licensing requirements. These vary by jurisdiction, so be sure to check the rules in your area. Conclusion. The DJI Neo is a powerful and versatile drone that can elevate your projects to new heights. Whether you're a business owner looking to showcase your property or a hobbyist seeking aerial adventures, the DJI Neo offers endless possibilities. So, strap on your goggles, take to the skies, and let your imagination soar.